This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off your active status on the LinkedIn app. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I got my phone opened up now and I am on the LinkedIn app. To turn off your active status, the active status is what tells people if you're online at the moment or not. To turn that off, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings. Next, you will tap on Visibility. And then you will scroll down toward the bottom to where you see it says Manage Active Status, and tap on that. And then it gives you three different options. You could select no one, and then no one will see if you're online or not. You could select your connections only, and the final option is all LinkedIn members. If you selected all LinkedIn members, then anybody on LinkedIn could see if you were online or not. But to turn off your active status, you would select no one. And that is it. That is how you turn off your active status on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.